Wait, drop the RPGs, drop the RPGs right now. I'm dropping the 12-7. I'm dropping the 12-7.
Drop them.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Tell me when it's dead. Actually, I can just...
Then you need to suppress it. It's dead.
It's dead.
Okay.
Okay,
So
I might have to reload.
Yeah. It's okay.
Reloading.
Okay.
Tell me when it's suppressed and like... Come on, game.
It's not getting suppressed.
Am I like not clipping wrong?
It looks like you're hitting.
Oh. Need to reload again. What the fuck?
Try to get more to the left now.
Game?
Can you be a human sacrifice? Can you run in front of me?
Yes.
And then I just send it. I just full send. Okay. Okay, just go. Just go. Wait, okay.
Go.
No.
Wait, that's a different gate.
Yeah.
Is
Okay.
it?
Okay. Let me look. No, the RC's there. I see one RC.
Okay.
Okay. So you need to. No, here. You need to be like here. So.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
see the pole? Oh no, you need to be a little closer. Yeah. So just try to kill the pole, and then it's an easy shot for the suppress there.
Okay. Killing the pole.
Oh wait, drop the RPGs. Actually, I forgot shit.
I drop them.
Okay, yeah. I dropped the 12.
Pole should be dead soon.
No, it's missing a lot, but actually, can you get a little closer when you're going to suppress?
Yes.
Okay, no, get a little closer. Get.
Oh my fucking god.
Yeah.
It's trolling me. Okay.
Yeah. Should be
There.
fine. Yeah.
Okay. Starting now. Tell me when it's suppressed because I cannot see it.
Suppressing. Okay, wait, I need to get in the range of the other one. Shit.
Just run.
Okay, I can get through at least. Okay, stop bursting. Stop for now. Stop for now.
I need to reload.
Okay, -1 RC. Start going in. Start going in.
Yeah.
And they just keep firing continuously, like just when I'm going out or whatever. Okay, it's suppressed. Yeah. Just keep bursting and stuff, and then once you're at like 10, just do like full.
Okay, firing the rest.
But I'll just wait until you get the reload off, and then just burst like 10 or 20. Yeah,
Burst 15.
Oh shit.
Go.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay, where is the other one?
I guess I stop now then.
Yeah, okay. I see the other one.
Okay, good job. It should... Okay, you see it. Okay, nice. Wait, I think this is 404. This could be the Isle of Sight, like, thingies. If you have a hammer, check.
I don't have a hammer, unfortunately.
Damn,
Can't carry it. There goes 2 RCs.
Nice, very nice. If you have a wrench, check one of the vehicles then, I guess. Oh wait, there's a gap here. You can get inside the other facility. Okay, I can kill some things here, I guess, maybe. What is this, Pecan?
I killed a double-vetted heavy truck. It's a Russian name in the double-vetted heavy truck, so...
Check the tag, right-click, and...
okay. It's 4/4, yeah, 4/4 tag. I kill our Harveys too.
Nice. Can I?
I mean, and I'm dead. Okay, that's go. So go like here, and then I'm gonna drop mine, right? And then
It's dropped.
Yeah. Okay. Pick up the 12-7 on the ground right now.
I got it.
Okay. Now. So suppress the person.
Careful.
Yeah. I'm good. Okay. Yeah, you probably just keep going. We're not gonna go for the thing. So just continuously suppress. I know I'm reloading now, but
Still suppressed. Yeah, we're not going for the Ares, so might as well just mac down.
well, there goes
Like you told me.
-1 SPG, so just keep going.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm still going.
Wait, did the RPGs despawn? No way, bro. No way they despawn.
No, they're here. They're not.
Okay,
They're on the.
yeah.
I moved them.
Yeah, okay. About to say, okay. Dump a bunch.
Yeah. Go, sir. Complete the
Okay,
mission.
you can
sir.
stop now because the other
Yeah.
SPG is like way on the other side of the facility. So
I'm gonna actually kill the PC mat.
you're gonna kill the PC.
Finish the job.
I think. Okay, I think this. Wait, let me check. Yeah, this is definitely the SPG one. I heard it die.
33 PC mats dead.
W, big W's.
Nice.
Yep, there we go.
I heard it. Good
-1.
shit.
My SPG,
Nice
so
one.
-2 SPGs now. Ares.
Is
still
it
two.
5 o'clock?
Yes. Okay. Now come back and suppress so I can get out, and then maybe I can just do some.
I
Whatever.
might need to reload like mid suppress.
Oh, there's a guy in the train. There's a.
Fuck's sake.
Don't worry. Wait, let me check the train. The train. Wait. Go. The train is like has the.
Yeah.
Wait, no, wait. Okay, wait. No, just wait. He doesn't know.
Doesn't know. Too late.
They're sitting. We can't do anything, by the way, because the train engine is right in front of the place we need to suppress.
Fuck.
Dude. Well.
Should we?
Yeah.
Should we suppress the right? Should we suppress the right?
Oh. Well.
Oh crap! Nope, I'm not here. Sorry. I'll leave. Bye.
Can you just move the train a little bit?
Yeah. Bye.
Should we go for the right? Like actually?
No. Because remember you can suppress it.
Yeah. Okay. No, I have angle. I can probably suppress it. If I.
No, don't even.
I think
try.
I can.
Don't even
I
try.
think I
Wait,
can.
he's moving the train.
Oh,
He's moving the train.
shit,
He's moving the train.
Did
you not see him? Did you not see him?
I saw him.
Yeah.
I heard him.
No, dude, move it a bit, just a bit more,
Come on, you motherfucker.
a bit more.
Okay, go to my right.
This
go to
dude
my
is
right,
the
go to my right.
slowest train. Okay, no, you need.
I'm dropping my RPG. There
Okay,
you go.
yeah. No, I need to drop everything too, because they're just sitting there. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Just press it.
Start bursting.
Run.
Okay, you can stop.
Are they like craned?
No, they're sitting
Or-
on the pads.
They're just there? Okay.
Yeah. If they're not fueled, I don't know, man. I'm cooked. This one's definitely fueled though. They haven't even moved it. Yeah, this fuel.
Okay, nice.
Hopefully there's enough to get to the inward facing ATG because this thing does not handle very well.
By the way, if there's like trains and shit, you can kill those as well with the RPGs.
Well, I'll need to come back out.
Yeah, that's fine. I have ammo.
Yeah.
I can also cycle the RPG, so you keep them.
Yeah.
But till the fucking.
Oh, this is bad. I might die to a rifle guy, so I'm trying to get back to the thing. But no, I think I can get it killed here. And I'll be okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. Shooting it.
Okay, no. I hear the fucking train larper is coming back.
Don't worry, don't worry. Just distract him. Wait. This one. Okay. Wait. The train larper was the last driver of the SPG.
Okay. I'm just gonna shoot his train so he fucks off.
Yeah.
Fuck off! I'm going to kill your plane!
Well, SPGs are so janky. That thing is not dying.
Should I? I'm just gonna use the copper.
The first one died.
Okay, good. Nice.
He's here. He tried to wrench it. No. No SPGs for you, sir. No.
Fucking RPGs.
I don't have any good.
He's throwing lemons on me. I might die here, by the way. Just so it can, like, I'm confirmed to kill it. Yeah, I died, but it's dead.
Son of.
Both?
Yeah, both. He said, son of a...
Hold on, I'm killing the train as well.
Alright.
I think it's almost dead.
Yep. What? It's gone.
Fuck!
Bro, the
You're
poles
joking.
are there. How is it gone?
Did they actually, like... Did it despawn or something? There's no way.
Brother, what do you mean it's gone? How is it gone but the poles are there? What? Dude.
Fuck. Train still
There's
there.
a guy
Okay,
in the
like-
facility. Their large pads are decaying. Okay, yeah, no,
What the
yeah, the
fuck?
large train's there. Nah, there's a bunch of people in the facility. Don't go for it.
Ah,
That is really bad. The large pads are decaying, bro. They gave up. They gave up in building.
Sorry.
Like, the facility's fine, but the large pads are decaying. Oh, no, actually a lot of the facility's decaying. But they're still using it. I don't know. Oh, yeah, a lot of it's decaying. Huh. It's weird.
Okay.
But what?